Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Cyril. I am currently living in Vaasa, Finland, and I'm from India. So today is Saturday. We have off because it's the weekend, so I have booked my slot for the washing machine, and it's at 11 o'clock. I had one at 10 o'clock, but I couldn't wake up that time, so I booked another one at 11. And I'll add the video of how to book through VOAS the slots. And it's 10:50, so I'll go now, and I will put my clothes in, and after that I'll go to Kirppis because it takes about 40 minutes to wash. So meanwhile I'll go to Kirppis and see what they have. And the weather is very nice. It's very cloudy. I'll show you over here. So this is the sky. I don't know how it's looking in the video. So I'll go there now, and I'll take my bike also because from there I'll go to Kirppis like I said. So I'll leave now. That is where I have to go. That's the Q building. So I'll take my bike. This is my clothes and this is my bike. Let's go. So this is the field outside my accommodation, and this is the school on the right. So here everyone plays football, and it's very cloudy today, but it's not cold or raining, so that's a good thing. And that's the hill that I hate. So now I'll go to the Q building. I'll walk there because I have the bag with me, so I'll walk there now. Let's go. So I've reached the building. I kept my bike over there, and now I'll go inside. This also has a sauna, I'll show you, and it only opens with our keys. Alright. So this is the sauna. I think someone is already inside. Yep, someone is inside. This is the laundry room. And this is the laundry room. My machine is number 3, that one, and it's from 11, so I still have time. Now it's empty. Now I will give my clothes for washing. Now I will put the detergent in. So for detergent it's this one. Yep, liquid detergent. Now I will select the temperature. 60 is good, and then normal. Yep, normal. Now it's start. It'll take about 40 minutes, and after that I'll use the dryer. It has started. So I'll just explain the process how it works. यहाँ पे 4 वॉशिंग मशीन है और 3 ड्रायर्स है. ये ड्रायर्स है, तो इसमें आपको कपड़ा इसके बाद डालना होगा क्योंकि इसमें ड्राई पूरा नहीं होता है. तो ये जब हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे टाइम दिख रहा है आपको 33 मिनट्स, क्योंकि मेरा ये नॉर्मल है, तो उसके लिए 33 मिनट्स वेट के अकॉर्डिंग वो वे कर लेता है स्टार्टिंग में. तो उसके बाद आई विल पुट इट इन दिस, एंड दीज आर क्वाइट स्ट्रॉन्ग. अराउंड 15 मिनट्स में पूरा ड्राई हो जाता है. तो यू हैव टू बुक दीज ऑनलाइन एंड इट कम्स विथ योर रेंट. आपको इसके लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं देना पड़ता है, एंड ये आपको स्लॉट्स बुक करना पड़ता है. जैसे मेरा स्लॉट 11 to 12 का था, एंड यू हैव टू बुक दिस थ्रू VOAS's वेबसाइट. दे हैव अ प्लेस वेयर यू कैन रिजर्व द वॉशिंग मशीन्स, एंड you can just come during your slot and use it. You don't have to pay anything extra. Because it's a cold country, here using a dryer is mandatory because you can't dry clothes outside your apartment. Like you can't hang clothes, so you have to dry it over here. And there is still 30 minutes left, so I'll go for a quick run to the Kirppis. Let's go. And if you look inside this, it says this is for main wash, the main soap. This is for pre-wash, some people use that. Softener and liquid detergent. So I put my liquid detergent over here, and you can see it's empty now, so it's already gone inside. And let's go to the Kirppis now. I've almost reached Kirppis, and there you can see they are carrying something they bought from Kirppis. They must be living nearby. That's how we got the sofas. So I've reached Kirppis. Now I'll go inside. So I came to look for a bed, but I'm looking for a specific bed because it needs to be around 4 feet. But these are too small and this one is too big. So I don't think I'll be taking anything today. Besides that, I'll just show you what kind of stuff they have right now. This entire thing is for 55.40. Okay, I need a lampshade, so let's see if they have a lampshade.
I want to trade up this tray is not
Not buy anything from there. Like I said, I'm looking for a bed, but they don't have the type I want. So I'll just go back and see if my clothes are done. So it's draining now. It still has 16 minutes left. Yep. So here they have 4 washing machines. These are washing machines. These are dryers. So they have 4 of these and 3 of these. One, and there's one in the corner, and there's one over here. So this room is usually very warm because of it, because the dryer air goes out from here and sometimes the hot air stays here. So that's why it's quite warm. And after it's done, we have to use this because over here you're not allowed to dry your clothes outside your apartment. You can't hang them. So, and these are quite effective. I'll show you after it's done. So here using the washing machine comes included in the rent. You don't have to pay extra, but you do have to book a slot every time you want to use this. Like my slot was today on Saturday from 11 to 12, and I had one slot before this, but I gave that to my friend because I couldn't wake up that time. And here they have the instructions, and this is the instruction for the dryer. And you can't wash carpets over here. So for today, this is my dryer. I'll use this after I'm done. So I'll wait now. So we are around autumn season now, and you can see the trees are becoming red slowly, most of them. So it's very pretty around. You can see. And the weather is amazing today. Not too cold, not too hot, and cloudy. So I'll go back inside. It's almost done. I'll take it out. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट आपको लैंग्वेज चेंज करना होगा. ये अभी फिनिश में है, सूमी में. तो आपको पहले ऊपर जाना होगा. दिस इज़ लैंग्वेज केली, एंड देन मेक दैट इंग्लिश. And this will be extra dry, एंड टेम्परेचर वगैरह यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, हाई टेम्परेचर एंड एक्स्ट्रा ड्राई मोड में है. सो आई विल जस्ट स्टार्ट इट एंड इट हैज स्टार्टेड. ये ऑटोमेटिक ख़त्म होने के बाद इट विल शो यू दैट इट्स डन. सो नाउ यू जस्ट हैव टू वेट. अभी ये ऑलमोस्ट हो गया. अभी 3 मिनट्स बाद ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, तो उसके बाद आई कैन टेक द क्लोथ्स ऑफ. When you're using these dryers, make sure to clean the lint filter, वरना वो वहाँ पे जमा हो जाता है. ये ब्रश यहाँ पे दिया रहता है, तो उससे आपको क्लीन करना है. एंड आई विल जस्ट थ्रो दिस अवे नाउ. मेरा लॉन्ड्री हो गया है. नाउ आई विल गो बैक टू माय हाउस एंड देन आई विल study for my hygiene pass. We have the test on Monday, and for people who don't know, hygiene pass is a card that you get after passing the hygiene test, which is mandatory for working in restaurants. Without that, you'll not be able to work in restaurants, proper restaurants. So that test we have on Monday. It's free for us students at Vamia. So I have to prepare for that. I didn't study till now, so today whole day I'll be doing that, and laundry is also done, so I'll just be at home now. Let's go. So I had borrowed this mattress from my friend when I moved into this apartment, because that time I did not have any furniture, so I needed something to sleep on, so I borrowed it from him. And today, since I'm free, I'm going to drop this off. I'll take the bus, and I'll be taking the bus after a very long time, because last, from what I remember, I had taken the bus from here exactly, and that time I was taking the bus to go to Subilati from my first Airbnb to my second, but I did not know that I'll be staying there for a month back then. But that was actually the last time I had taken the bus. So now, after so many days, I'll have to take the bus, because it's not possible to take on the cycle, obviously. So I'll take the bus over there. That's the bus stop, and bus number 5, if I'm not wrong, is what I have to take. I have to go to Terini Main Katu, and yeah, so I'll take the bus and go now. The weather is amazing today. It's windy but not that cold. Whoa, it's really windy, but it's nice. So this is the bus stop, and these are all the bus routes they have in Vaasa, and it's from Lifty. And today we will take bus route number 5, and we will go till Terenimi. And they also have a bus from the airport. If you're coming to the airport, this is the bus you have to take, bus number 4. Then it will come all the way till city center. But back when I came to Vaasa, I did not know about the bus routes or anything, so I had taken a taxi, and it cost me about 25 euros just to get from there till here. It was around 10 minutes hardly, but I had to pay 25 euros because I had no idea about the bus routes. I didn't even know that they had buses over there, because if you come to Vaasa airport, you'll know the airport is very small, so I assume that there are no public transports available. So I taken the taxi, and it was very expensive, and that was the last time I had taken a taxi in Finland. So my bus is a little late. I checked online. It will take another 10 minutes for it to get here. I can track it online. So once it gets here, I'll put this, and then so right now the bus is near city center. It started moving, and our stop is this one. So let's see. It will reach my bus stop around 17:16, and it's in another 2 minutes. That means, let's see. So I have reached Katu. I have to just walk another 50 meters, and I will reach. Chalo, bye. So I'm back to Vorikatu. Now I'll go home.